Whoops. Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 65 Lincoln Continental. This comes from Trey in Bakersfield, California, pretty much right next door to my shop in Arizona. Customers requested the modern FM conversion with the Bluetooth and USB functions, and of course the aux input. And so let's turn her on. And one thing I'll mention here is they're really getting just crazy about the copyright thing. The YouTube people, unless the copyright laws have changed in the last 20 years, the YouTube people really don't know copyright law, but they're trying to nail you now. If they discover 3 seconds of material that they recognize, they'll nail you for copyright. So I'm having to keep my samples shorter and shorter, and mostly limited to talk and news, because music is just not really a fair game anymore. Anyway, let's turn her on, make sure everything works. I've got it set to FM at the moment. And I have all the presets set to FM stations in my area. So let's just run through those real quick. Oh, okay, that one didn't quite...
Hope you have a wonderful...
Try again. Okay, let's demonstrate. Let's try to find some talk radio here. Okay, go ahead and demonstrate the balance control. Get our output level meters. Okay, balance control all the way left. All the way right.
So for all your tough
left,
kitchen and bathroom messes,
right,
try Mr.
and
Clean
now
Magic Eraser.
We also have a front rear fader. It's in the tone control. To activate the front rear fader, we give our tone control 2 turns to the right. So we're going to rotate it to center, so I've got room to turn it. Here we go.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. And now the same control is adjusting the left-right speaker balance. There's a little click in the center. When it's in the center of the stereo field, okay, I'm going to stop adjusting it.
Fader set.
Fader set. So now this can be returned to the tone setting that you like. Okay, let's try the, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need these anymore. Okay, gonna put the Bluetooth into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, lady says Bluetooth ready to pair, and as you guys know by now, I don't do all that on the demo videos. I just make sure the Bluetooth function is working. While we're waiting for the lady to come back on saying pairing not completed, we're going to try the USB with my radio commercial. I've just got my radio commercial on a stick here. Should start automatically. Unplug the stick, radio comes back. Okay, let's go to AM. On this radio, we just turn it off and then right back on within half a second to go to AM. Okay, and this should be at the strong station. And I made a lighter out of myself, so let's just tune it in.
Bigger and more consequential than a great...
Oh, that's because I had preset this to FM stations. So there's our strong AM station. Get 2 weak ones towards this end of the dial, very weak. And 1. And 2. And that's it for the AM band. So we'll go back to FM, just because there's a little bit more action on FM.
Rewind 925 and 1041, spinning the big...
Okay, and that completes the test. We just got to check the dial light real quick. You can see that dial light flashing on and off. I always replace the dial light. So we're all finished here. This radio is ready to go back. I'm ready to upload this video to YouTube. And thank you very much, Troy, for your business. And thank you, folks, for watching and listening. My website is in the description below. And my phone number, and this is for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. This is not a number to call looking for a belt or a part, or how do I fix this yard sale fine that I don't want to put any money into. If you're not willing to hire me, you can't borrow me. It's just that simple. This is a business. I'm not a hobbyist looking for his 15 minutes of fame. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. We'll see you next time.